when you download the 7.4 data set, what you'll see is two directories, one called Fabric and one called GeoDB. The GeoDB contains the old ORMAP geodatabase in a pre-converted format. Fabric contains the converted data in the ArcPro Fabric environment. In there, you've got various directories. One is conversion, which contains all the converted data, all the conversion Python scripts. Another is the various tools that the Tools Committee wrote. The GeoDB townend contains the converted data, a backup data structure, just in case you mess something up, a data text file that is used by the arrow tool, the default toolbox, next, and the project file. If you open the project file, what you're going to see is a standard ESRI data structure. These are all the various tools that come up. Here's my township of converted data. Here's all the various standard layers that meet the standard environment for ORMAP in the ArcPro environment. If I go to the catalog, I can see that I've got two layouts, one for 18 by 20, another for 18 by 24. Here's all my tools, the Create DD Anno, the Update Map Index, Zoom to Map, the Update ORMAP Area is a tool Python script I just developed yesterday. If I see the databases, I can see my townend GDB, my townend BK. Here's my layers that I'm using, the 18 by 20 and the 18 by 24 we just talked about. Here's my tasks. I have annotation tasks and then a converted ESRI, modified ESRI set tasks that we got from them. If I open my tasks, you can see the annotation tasks that are available. They're for the 4 standard annotation feature classes. If I open one up, what I can see is for each particular task group, I can see the tasks that have been made. If I go to layouts and open up a particular layout, I can see my particular layout for the 18 by 24. If I go to close tasks and go to contents, you can see the various map elements that make up this particular layout. Map number, tables, the layers that go in the map frame are the same layers that we use in our data set. If I bring up one of the map series maps, I can double click on a particular map and it'll zoom there and you can see how that particular data set works. How layouts are run is contained in another video. And that's the data structures. The other component for what the tools developed are the attribute rules. You can get to the attribute rules by selecting a feature layer, right-clicking and bringing up tools and bringing up attribute rule. If I then open up the attribute rules for annotation, I can see there's a get map number, which grabs the map number for a particular annotation where annotation is placed within a map index. And I can bring up the expression for that particular rule and see it. So I'm going to close this. Then we'll bring up attribute rules for Taxlots. There are several attribute rules associated with Taxlots. Again, right-click, go to Design, go to Attribute Rules, and what you can see is there is a Get Map Number, which gets the map number from the underlying map index, the Get County, which gets the county number from the underlying map index, the Get ORMAP Number, which gets the ORMAP number from the underlying index, the Calc or Taxlot, which appends the Taxlot number to the ORMAP number, and then a more of a custom-built one for a specific county, which combines the Taxlot and the map number in a structure that can link to their particular A&T data. And those are the rules that are associated with your data set.